Healthy breakfast ideas with bread. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more weekly updates on health and fitness goals. Here are some healthy breakfast ideas using bread. Avocado toast. Spread mashed avocado on whole grain toast and top it with sliced tomatoes, a sprinkle of chia seeds, and a dash of salt and pepper. Peanut butter banana toast. Spread natural peanut butter on whole grain bread and top with banana slices. Drizzle with a bit of honey for sweetness. Egg and tomato open-faced sandwich. Top whole grain toast with a fried or poached egg, sliced tomatoes, and a sprinkle of herbs like basil or chives. Greek yogurt and berry toast. Spread Greek yogurt on whole grain toast and top with fresh berries such as strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries. Drizzle with a touch of honey. Smash white bean and avocado toast. Mash white beans and spread them on whole grain toast. Top with sliced avocado, a squeeze of lemon, and a sprinkle of red pepper flakes. Cottage cheese and pineapple toast. Spread cottage cheese on whole grain bread and top with pineapple chunks. This combination provides protein and a hint of sweetness. Hummus and vega sandwich. Spread hummus on whole grain bread and layer with sliced cucumbers, tomatoes, and bell peppers. Add some greens like spinach or arugula. Ricotta and berries toast. Spread ricotta cheese on whole grain toast and top with mixed berries. Drizzle with a bit of balsamic glaze for a delightful flavor. Almond butter and apple toast. Spread almond butter on whole grain toast and top with thinly sliced apples. Sprinkle with cinnamon for added flavor. Spinach and feta breakfast sandwich. Sauté spinach and spread it on whole grain toast with crumbled feta. Top with a fried or poached egg. Tomato basil mozzarella toast. Top whole grain toast with sliced tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, and chopped basil. Drizzle with balsamic glaze for a caprese-inspired breakfast. Grilled cheese with spinach and tomato. Make healthier grilled cheese by using whole grain bread. Adding spinach leaves and sliced tomatoes to the sandwich. Remember to choose whole grain or whole wheat bread for added fiber and nutrients. These breakfast ideas are not only delicious but also provide a good balance of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats to kickstart your day. Adjust the portions based on your nutritional needs. If you're getting any value out of the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Let's continue.